to our channel. I am Niamad Nadir for Gemini Properties, and today we are in one of the societies that is situated in the heart of Koregaon Park, that is Trinity Court. So let's start the tour. Right now we are at the entrance of the building. This is where the two-wheeler parking of the building is. This building also has one elevator. So right now we are in the lobby of the apartment. So let's go inside. This apartment has two doors. One is the main door and one is this drill door for safety. So right now we are at the entrance of the apartment. As you can see, it is a very spacious apartment, and as you enter you have so much space over here. So you can put up your shoe rack over here, and right to my left hand side is where the kitchen is. It is a 3 BHK apartment and it is completely done up. It is a fully furnished apartment and it is newly done with the flooring, with the painting, everything is new. So the kitchen has cabinets. A gas with 2 burners and a pipe gas connection. It also has a chimney attached. The kitchen also has a water purifier with a sink, a refrigerator, and this can be your dry balcony that has a window with mosquito nets in it. There is also a connection for your washing machine over here and a lot of storage space in the kitchen. Connecting to the kitchen, we enter into the dining area. This is where you can set up your dining table with chairs. It is going to be very convenient for you to serve food to your family, because this is also an open area from where you can directly serve food to your family. Connecting to the dining room is where the living room is. The living room comes with sofas. Very comfortable sofa, a center table, a TV, some storage space, fans, lights, and connecting to the dining room is where the first bedroom is. This bedroom has a bed, cupboard, wooden cupboards. You can also use this space to store your bags. An AC in the room, a window with a mosquito net attached to it, so you can't open it. That means there's going to be no mosquito entering this room for sure. And of course a bathroom attached. This bathroom has a geyser installed in it. Right across this room is where the other two bedrooms are. This is the second bedroom. This bedroom also has a bed, a huge window right above the bed, a cupboard, storage space above the cupboard, fan, lights, and a bathroom attached. This bathroom also has a geyser installed. And every room comes with a key, so you can lock your room every time you want to get out. Cupboard with drawers. So if you want to store your makeup or your hair brushes or any hair appliances, you can store them here. Lights, fans, and a window with a mosquito net attached to it. This room also has a mirror and a bathroom attached. So apart from this house being a fully furnished apartment and also a newly done apartment, there is something really attractive about this property, and that is this huge, beautiful balcony with wooden flooring. This flooring is also newly done, and you can see the beautiful flowers and fruit trees around you. You can also see directly into the garden of the society. And right behind that is where the swimming pool is. Isn't it a beautiful apartment? The owner has taken care of every tiny detail, and of course it is beautiful around. Being in Koregaon Park, Lane 5, it is going to be very pretty all around you. Trees, flowers, fruits, it's lovely. This apartment comes with one covered car park, and also the bathroom is done up newly, has geysers installed, and all the fittings in the bathroom are new. So the apartment that we are in today is at Trinity Court, and it is situated in the heart of Koregaon Park. It is a 3 BHK fully furnished apartment, and it is newly done. That means it is freshly painted and the floorings are taken care of. The furniture is beautifully placed in the apartment and also has a pipe gas connection and a water purifier in the apartment. This apartment is up for sale and for rent, and the price that the owners are expecting for this beautiful apartment is 1,75 lakhs only. And if you want to rent this apartment, the rent that the owners are expecting is 45,000 only. So we are now in Koregaon Park, Lane 5, and Koregaon Park is known for these beautiful stores around that have a lot of clothes and food in it. So everything is just 5 minutes away for you. It is very centrally located, and Koregaon Park has the Osho Ashram in it. Also Kalyani Nagar is just 5 minutes away from Koregaon Park. The boat club and the Dhole Patil is to the left. for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadin Nilgiriwala. And also contact the number given below, that is Rosina Nilgiriwalas and Nadin Nilgiriwalas. So please contact them and get all the details of this property. Thank you.